Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, now everyone open companion page number 121. Open companion 121, children. 12a. So, look at the carpet given below. Okay, here given one carpet, children. So, see the question first. How many sets of patterns do you see on the carpet? Okay, how many sets of patterns do you see on the carpet? So first in this you have to observe, children, what are these? Yes, these are stars. Here given two stars and after two circles. Two stars, two circles. Two stars, two circles. Next, here given flower, children. Flowers given in different colors. Different color means here given in two colors, no, children. So first one, blue color flower, pink color flower. Blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink, blue, pink. Okay, children. Here, if you what is the difference between for this pattern and this pattern, children? So here in the first pattern here, the two sets of shapes are repeated. Okay, here two stars and two circles. Now means here two sets of patterns here repeating, children. So now in the second one, children, here only one set is repeating, means here blue flower, pink flower, blue flower and pink flower. So like this, children. Now observe the third one. Here given shapes, children, two different shapes here given. First one, what is the shape? What's the name of this shape? Circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So what is the given question here? How many sets of patterns do you see on the carpet? Okay, here if you observe these three, children, here two sets repeating. Am I correct? Yes, here two sets of shapes repeating, and here in the remaining two only one set is repeating. No, so here write 1 and 2. Okay, here these two, here the first one is two sets repeating, children. Okay, means two stars, two circles. But coming to the last remaining two, here only one set is repeating. Okay, children. Now turn to next page. Some of these sets do not show a clear pattern. Put a cross to such sets. Here some of them are not showing patterns. So see here first given square, triangle, square, and here three triangles given. So if it is pattern means what they will actually what we have what if it is pattern means what will come next? Here square, triangle after square. But here two triangles given, children, means is this pattern? No. So this is not pattern. So cross here. Okay, cross it here. Now here second one, given shapes, children. Okay, here given heart symbols in different color. Two different colors given, no. Two red color, green, red, green. Here these sequence following some order, no, children. So this is pattern. Here you have to cross it only. Those are not showing patterns. Okay. Next here given triangles, children. Here first given triangle 1 and here given two triangles. Okay, see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here only 1 and 2, 3, 4. So here the numbers are increasing once, no, children. So 1 after 2, 3, 4, like that they are like that they are increasing now. So these are showing patterns. Okay. So if 1 and 2 after, if 4 comes means 4 triangles here given means this is not pattern, but here 1, 2 triangles, next 3, 4 triangles given. So this shows pattern. Next here circle, semicircle, circle, two semicircles, two circles. Is this showing patterns, children? No. So cross it here. Okay. Next, drawn color to continue the pattern in each set. Okay, draw and color to continue the pattern in each set. Okay, here given some shapes, no children. So like that you have to draw remaining shapes and color it. Okay, so in D1 here given shapes: star, rectangle, star, rectangle. Here you have to draw remaining shapes and color it. So remaining shapes means here rectangle after what shape will come, children? Star. Now here draw star and color it. Next, star after rectangle, star, rectangle, star, rectangle. Okay, like that you have to draw and color it, children. Okay, like that you have to complete remaining. Okay, so here given colors, no, red, blue. So like that you have to color remaining. And in next page also same, children. 124. Here given, no, triangle, circle. So same color given but different shapes, no. So triangle after, actually first triangle after circle, triangle, circle, no. So here circle comes. Next triangle, circle, triangle. Okay, so like that you have to complete remaining, children. Okay, now in page number 125, Mridula predicts what comes next. Read her story carefully. Okay, Mridula predicts means Mridula thinking what comes next. Read her story. So I am reading story, children. Listen carefully. Mridula went with her family to a restaurant. Okay, so Mridula went with her family to one restaurant. She saw a waiter do the following at each table. Okay, she saw a waiter do the following at each table. So can anyone know the duties of waiter in restaurant, children? So first in our life sometimes we are going restaurant, am I correct? Yes. So here she saw a waiter do following at each table. Okay, here given now, children, 4 pictures. So observe the pictures carefully. Here given numbers also, children. So first picture. So in the first picture what the visitor is doing, children? So in the first picture waiter is serving water. Am I correct? Yes, waiter is serving water. And in picture 2, so he is writing something. Do you know what he is writing? So that means he is taking order. Okay, am I correct, children? So if we going to a restaurant, so first we enter the restaurant and we see any table and we sit. So after that waiter come and give some water first, and after that he will come and take order, no, children. So next, third one. So what he is doing in third picture, children? He is serving plates. Okay, in first picture he served water, and in second picture he is taking order, and in third picture he is serving plates to you. Okay, he is serving plates to them. Next, in fourth one, what he is doing, children? Observe the picture and say the answer, children. In fourth picture what he is doing? He is serving food. Okay, he is serving food. So once again I am repeating, children. In the first picture he is serving water, and in second picture he is taking order, and in third picture he is serving food, and in third picture he is giving plates to you. Okay, he is giving plates to them, and in fourth picture he is serving food. Okay, so now the waiter came to Mridula's table. Okay, the waiter came to Mridula's table. He served water. Okay, he served water. So Mridula guessed what he will do next. Can you guess to circle your choice? Okay, here Mridula guessed already what happens next. Okay, can you guess, children? So what happens next? First he served water, no. So after serving water, what the waiter will do? What waiter will do, children? Yes, it's correct. So waiter will take order. Okay, waiter will take order. So here the which picture is showing to taking order, children? Okay, children, so after serving water, see here in the second picture, he is going to take order, no children. Okay, in the second picture, he is going to take order. So circle second one, children. Okay, in the second picture only he is going to take order, children. In third, he is going to serving food. And in first picture already served plates, no children. So first, actually here given no. In the first one he is serving water, and in second one he is taking order, no. So that's why after serving water he is going to take order. Okay, children. Okay, you have to circle this one. Okay, children, this is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.